growing up. Some people teach by their words, others by their lives. Thanks for being with us. Forever.
We love you, MJ. Your legend will never die.
Rest in peace, Michael.
You truly inspired me and the whole world to make it large.
You made the music come to life.
Your thought is not just to live life, but to make it large.
MJ is with us every day, in our hearts, in our minds.
I can say that yes, I started dancing because of Michael Jackson, and this video was a very big thing for me because कुछ मैंने अपनी तरफ से किया है Michael Jackson. So thank you Samar, thank you Red Chillies, thank you Shah Rukh, thank you all of you.
He will always be there, and through us and all his millions and millions of fans, he will always live on, and live on with the right spirit and the right reasons, which he deserves to be, not for any other reason, but for the fact that he was the greatest genius in terms of entertainment there ever was and ever will.
Personally for me, my knowledge of maybe my exposure towards English music was because of Michael Jackson. The first song which I heard in my school days and which we performed, the ones which are more popular, the Thriller and the other ones. So for me, I think it's a loss of an icon which stays in our memories as child.
All the people who are involved over here with this project, Shah Rukh, Samar, Red Chillies, Remo, Shan, all the singers, all the performers over here, we've been associated with each other for a long time, and we're all a group of friends who have been part of this project, and I really thank the people who have conceptualized this, especially Red Chillies, Samar and the whole team.
None of the artists have taken any money for this. Red Chillies has not taken any money for it. Vishal Shekhar have not charged us a single rupee to make the song. It's only the cost of hiring the studios and paying the technicians and shooting the video which has been done. So all of us have done it for the love of Michael. There is no commercial value. This is not going to be available on any music label. It's going to be available only on the websites, which is the Royal Stag Mega Music website and the Red Chillies website for free downloads. And the video is being given to everybody who wants to play the video. So it's our way of spreading the music around. It's not to make any money out of it, and there is no commercial angle to it.
देखिए, इस देश में कोई भी अगर संगीत के क्षेत्र में हो और स्पेशली अगर म्यूज़िक कंपोजिंग में हो तो माइकल जैक्सन कॉन्शियसली या सबकॉन्शियसली उनके दिमाग में आ ही जाते हैं, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो किया है, जो कॉम्पोजिशंस किए हैं, जो अरेंजमेंट्स किए हैं, जिस तरह से उन्होंने गाया है, जिस तरह से उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया है, इससे हम लोगों ने बचपन से ही सीखा है और सीखते रहेंगे।
नहीं, माइकल जैक्सन देखिए, एक तो कहीं ना कहीं लोग ये भी कह सकते हैं कि ना हमारे देश के हैं, ना हमसे कभी उन्हें मिले हैं, ना कोई डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन है, तो इतना ज़्यादा हम क्यों उतावले हो रहे हैं? जब हमारे अपने कोई जाते हैं, गुजर जाते हैं, तब तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। अब माइकल जैक्सन गया तो सब मिलकर गाने गा रहे हैं।
आई थिंक माइकल जैक्सन थे, इसलिए हमें इन सबका सपोर्ट मिला, बिकॉज माइकल जैक्सन एक ऐसी शख्सियत है जिनको सभी प्यार करते हैं। एवरीबडी लव्स माइकल जैक्सन। सो क्योंकि वो माइकल जैक्सन है, इसलिए हर सिंगर, हर आर्टिस्ट, हर परफॉर्मर ने, हर संगीतकार ने बोला कि वो इस वीडियो का हिस्सा बनना चाहेंगे। सो इट वाज माइकल जैक्सन दैट ब्रॉट एवरीबडी टुगेदर।
मेरे करियर में उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, क्योंकि मैं उनका ही स्टाइल करता था जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया डांस करना। जब मैं कोरियोग्राफर बना तो मैंने काफ़ी सारे गाने किए हैं जिसमें थोड़े बहुत जैक्सन के स्टाइल थे। बहुत बड़ा हाथ है उनका मेरे इस करियर में।
Everyone's coming together to be a part of this music, to be a part of the music video dedicated especially to Michael Jackson and 51st anniversary.
MJ is with us every day. We love you, MJ.
Michael, you made the music come to life.
In our hearts, in our minds. Your legend will never die.
We will always miss you.
And in our music. And thank you for being my inspiration.
Rest in peace, Michael. We'll miss you.
We will always love, miss, and remember your greatness.